All Pro Exterior Services here again, filling up the bleach tank, the roof. We just got some fresh bleach. Got our setup. Got a house we're doing here. We're gonna do a house wash and a roof wash. But let me show you something. Look at this roof. Well, we can see the growth on that roof. So we're gonna have to do some scraping on that roof. But it's just right in this area where they got these oak trees. So we're gonna scrape, clean all that off, blow it off, and hit it with some 5%. So, and then we got this whole house to do. I'll show you the back real quick. Looks like it's wood, so we're gonna do a test spot to make sure we don't do no paint change colors or anything like that. And we got back here, we got this little deck. We're gonna hit that too real quick. Nice payday off of a sign. So again, we're gonna hit all this roof and everything over here. So we'll get set up, pull some hoses, get up there, clean some roof, and be back with you in a second. And had to do some manual labor to get some of that mossy fungus trees growing out the roof off. So we got all that off. We got our setup. We got our green hose pulled with a soft wash system. Spraying some 5%. I'm gonna go give it one last mix before we start hitting it. And then we're gonna hit this roof real quick and house wash and catch on to the next one. Catch up with you in a second. One side sprayed with all the moss. We just doing some property protection. We pre-wet everything. We did get a good rain last night, so that helped. So we strategically did this. We did put a little cover on these big elephant ears, which is not much of a cover, but it's okay. We got everything wet. We're just doing some property protection, you know. Dilution is the solution. So we're just wetting it as much as we can. We don't, knock on wood, we've been blessed to not have a death of a plant as of to date. So we're gonna make sure we don't start today. So anyway, let's see if we can get you a quick view of the roof aftermath. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, it's coming brown. Oh yeah, look at that. Got a little hit it again real quick. I see a few black spots. Remember, if it's black, you're coming back. If it's brown, it's coming down. So good tips for the day. Free nugget. Hit you up in a minute. All right, guys. The last section of the roof was pretty bad. We had to do a lot of, got some rot there too. We had to do a lot of rinsing before because they had so much mud on the roof. But let's go check out the side. Got it all done, the roof, so we just got to catch this house real quick. It's taking a little longer than we like, but we're taking our time. This guy's a realtor. Nice size ticket. As you can see, it's brown instead of black. So it'll come out good once it rains, because it's not supposed to rain here for 3-4 days, so that SH should be nice and dead by the time it comes down. So all right, we'll get you on a house wash in a second. We're about to unload, hook up the pressure washer and get that rolling. Peace. All right, guys, got it all done, wrapping it up, washed it, it's drying, did the roof. Bigger job than I thought. Clean that up a little bit for with some SH, but yeah, all good. That spot's of paint, that ain't what you think it is. But it came up nice. So anyway, we're gonna head to the next job. We got a big surface cleaning job. So we'll catch up with you in a second. All right, guys, on that second job, just gonna head and we got some St. Augustine here, beautiful arm, so taking extra precaution, wetting the sides of it up. So that way we don't do any lawn damage. And we're only gonna downstream because we're very picky about the lawn, so we're gonna make sure we don't do no damage to the lawn. So we went ahead and cleaned it all up. We got the big boy 24 out, and pretty nice in the neighborhood. As you can tell, big houses, Ferraris and shit. I'll get there one day. Get that new trailer set up. We'll be rolling. All right, guys, I'll hit you up in a minute when we'll get some work in. Guys, got this big driveway finished and cleaned up some other stuff. So we're wrapping up here. Got Anthony on the hose reel. And we're just picking up. As you can tell, we got a bunch of junk in here. So anyway, we're good. Came out nice. Everybody's happy. And as you can see, nice houses. So it's good to have that sign like I have, because guess what I gotta go do now? Three doors up, gotta give a house wash estimate. And houses like this, you know what that means. Square foot, baby. Look at that. Nice. So anyway, we'll wrap this up. We're done for the day. And appreciate you guys liking, subscribing. It helps the channel. We're just trying to give back to the community. All right, peace.